Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and environment, make a backup copy, and confirm the document is editable. Once done, select the paragraph or text range you want double-spaced so changes are scoped correctly. Then open the paragraph or format dialog where line spacing is controlled. This is often under Format Paragraph or a toolbar icon. Make sure to locate the explicit double option rather than using manual returns, because that preserves structure and downstream formatting. Now you apply the setting. Choose the explicit double option in the line spacing menu so the software calculates spacing reliably. While there, check the before and after paragraph spacing values. Reduce them if they compound with double spacing. If you need consistent results, set this as a paragraph style and apply it to headings and body text. This ensures uniformity. Once applied, skim the document to ensure pagination and line breaks remain acceptable, and adjust widows/ To finish, review the document for pagination shifts, widows and orphans, and any awkward line breaks introduced by double spacing. If spacing looks inconsistent, make sure there are no manual line breaks, mixed styles, or inline overrides. Clear formatting and reapply the double spacing style if necessary. If problems persist, export to PDF to verify fixed output and then return to edit the source. One troubleshooting tip: if paragraphs still display unevenly, select all and reset paragraph spacing before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.